Welcome back to my channel, RD Economics Education Platform. Today we'll be solving another new question. But before we begin, if you are new to my channel, I will be very grateful for your support by subscribing this channel, liking and sharing it. Before we come to questions, let's have a short introduction of the history or origins of the term probability. So probability, in short, it means possibility. Probability has a dual aspect. On the one hand, the likelihood of hypotheses, given the evidence for them. On the other hand, the behavior of stochastic processes, such as the throwing of a dice, drawing a card or coins. Probable and probability and their cognates in other modern languages derive from medieval learned Latin probabilis, deriving from Marcus Tullius Cicero, and generally applied to an opinion to mean plausible or generally approved. The mathematical treatment of dice began with the work of Cardinal, Pascal Fermat, and Christian Huygens between the 16th and 17th century. Probability theory was called doctrine of chances. So that is how the term probability derived. Now let's come to the question. What is the probability of rolling a sum of 7 or 11 with 2 dice? So here the question is asking the possibility of a sum of getting 7 or 11 with 2 dice. Suppose as we roll the dice, 2 dice, then what is the probability of getting the 7th at once, getting 7 or 11? So we will see into this question. Now, when 2 dice are rolling or rolled together, the total outcomes are 36. Sample space is 1 1 1 2. Let's start from 1 3, and then 1 4 1 5, and then 1 6, right? So the first outcomes, its possibility can be 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 and 1 6. And then let's do 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, and then 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6, 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6, 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6, and then the last one is 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5, and then 6 6. So now from here we will see the possibility or outcomes of 7, or how many possibility it can become 7 or 11. So pairs of 7 or 11 are 1 6 makes 7, 2 5 makes 7, 3 4 makes 7, 4 3 makes 7, and 5 2 makes 7, and then 6 1 makes 7. And then for 11, 5 plus 6, let's make 11, and then 6 plus 5, let's make 11. Only 2 for 11, and then the raise 6 is for 7. So when we plus it, that is the total possibility is 8, right? And then now the total outcomes 36. Total outcome is 36. from 11 to 66 is 36. And then now favorable outcomes, which is equal to 8. Favorable outcome is 8. Then now probability of getting pairs with sum 7 or 11 equal to favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. So favorable outcome is 8 and then total outcome is 36. Then so possibility or probability of sum of 7 or 11 equal to 8 by 36, which is equal to 2 by 9. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.